Time for a build update on the 2-trailer tiny house. So I've been pretty quiet in the last couple of weeks because of all this Corona stuff going on. I decided to just focus on the build, get these things registered. Good news is, last week I got them inspected, they passed, and they're now registered road legal trailers. Only hiccup I had was Numpty here put the wrong compliance plates on the wrong trailers. I had 2 of them and just didn't check when I pop riveted them on. And so the VIN numbers didn't match. And I didn't realize until the inspector pointed it out. Luckily, he was a champion dude. I was able to go get them fixed up without coming home because I was an hour and a half from home, got them inspected, got home, and all sorted, which was awesome. So now the trailers are set up, ready to start building. And you can start to see how the layout of the house is going to work. I've welded a hitch onto the side of this trailer that the second trailer hitches onto. To square these things up, all I need to do is to move this trailer backwards or forwards, and it swings this trailer around. I've been playing with string line ideas to see how I can easily get these things lined up. The best way is to reference along the back of the house here with a string line. Problem is I'm going to be building a shower in that bump out, so I won't have the front of this trailer to reference. The other idea I've been working on is to put notched pins into the deck hangers of my trailer and run a string line from the end of one trailer through to the other. Then all I need to do, as I move the trailer backwards and forwards, the string line moves and I just need to line it up with that notch. The problem I found is, because the string line doesn't reference across this main trailer here, that one can be a little bit out of square and it doesn't show up in the string line. But I found that that string line gets me pretty close. Then all I need to do to fine tune it is to measure from the front of the second trailer to the side of the first trailer, and if I get the distance on both sides the same, these things are dead square. So the next steps is to level up these trailers and start building how these 2 trailers are going to join. I haven't put adjustable stands on these things yet, mainly because I don't know where they're going to go, but I will at some point. I'll probably level them up with blocks for now. The next thing I'm going to build is a structure that goes on these 2 trailers and the swinging walls. The idea is to build that as a self-supporting structure, and my wall frames will then butt up to them. I'm not too sure how that's all going to work yet, so we'll see how it goes. People have also been asking if I've got more footage on the build of the trailers. Yes, I do. I just haven't had time to do it. I've got a ton of footage. I will get around to it at some point. So, probably next couple of weeks is doing this. I have no idea how I'm going to make it work yet, so wish me luck.